Hello everyone, in this video we will see about controlling web browser through Selenium model. So Selenium model is a model from Python which will help you to control web browser through program code. Like we can control the web browser through program code, not only fetching the web page, we can also even use the web page with download, clicking, mouse clicks and giving input to the web page and so on. So starting with Selenium control browser, for using Selenium model we have to install Selenium, and to do that we in the command prompt we have to use pip install Selenium command for installing it, and we have to import Selenium. If import Selenium instead like all other models, we cannot use import Selenium directly to import it. We have to make use of from Selenium we have to import web browser so that we can access to the web driver, so that we can access to the web page directly. So from Selenium, for example, we have from Selenium import web driver, browser is equal to webdriver.firefox, or we can make use of Chrome here. So type browser class selenium.webdriver.firefox. Means which type of browser you give, it will give you the object for that browser. So class Selenium means it's a object from browser is a object for Selenium model from WebDriver. If it is Firefox or Chrome, it will change accordingly, WebDriver and WebDriver. So browser.get link will open the link provided for the get method. Finding elements on web page, it's like WebDriver objects have quite few methods for finding the elements. So find element start or find elements is used for finding the elements. Find element will fetch you one element object from web elements. Find elements will get you many elements, like all the matching elements from the web page. So here are the find element methods. We can find elements or element by classes, by class name, by CSS selector, by ID, by link text, by partial link text, by name, by tag name and so on. So here is the CSS selector for the select items, means for find items. These are the arguments to be passed while finding elements with respect to many find element methods. Tag name, which will find you the data with tag name A. Get attribute name, which will find the data from get attribute name. Text will find you the data from text, like bolding the like for text which we are using bold and all. Next is clear, to clear the text typed into it. Next is display. Next is enabled, is selected, location and all those things. Next is how you can click the web page, clicking the web page. So web element object returned from find element or find elements method have click method to stimulate the mouse click also. From Selenium import web driver is a method used to import Selenium for any web browsers. So browser is equal to drive Firefox. Web browser dot get function will open the web page provided as an argument. Link element, browser find elements by link test, read it online. So type link element is the element from the remote web access. Link element dot click will click on the read it online link from the web page. So wherever the read it online hyperlink is created for the web browser or the web page invite with python.com, this link element dot click method will help you to click on that hyperlink. Next one is filling and submitting the forms. So we all know Gmail is one, login to the Gmail is the one of the most used form to be filled to login for Gmail. So we'll take that and we'll see how to provide input from your program and submit that Gmail form. So this is common, importing Selenium model, then creating a browser object, then get method for opening the gmail.com with the help of browser object. What we have, email elements, we are finding the element for email, then email element dot send key. Send key is the method. See here, send key is the method which is used to send the key for the object email elements. So email element is an object for the place email, and we are passing our email address. Password element is element for the password with the help of browser dot find element by id password. So password element dot send is send key. Send key is a method which is used to send the key. So here we are filling two forms, one is email id, one is form, and submit is a method which is used for clicking on login or to submit that password element. So next is sending special keys. We can even send special keys like arrows, means upward, backward, enter method, or return back to page. All these with the help of Selenium web browser and selenium.webdriver.com.keys, and we have to import keys from this method. So here are the attributes: key down, key up, key left, key right, which is used as arrows. Key return and key enter for enter and return keys. Key home will go for home page, end for end page, page down and page up for moving pages wise up and down. Escape for escape, key dot escape for escape character, key dot backspace for backspace character, delete, key dot delete for delete character. Key dot we can make use of all function keys, and key dot tab for tab character. So here is an example for sending special character. So with the help of browser.get, we are opening nostarch.com website, and HTML element is equal to find element with HTML. So HTML element send key end will scroll the button down, and this web page end will be displayed, or it will be scrolled to down. And HTML.element send key dot home, it will go to the home page, means it will scroll up to the home page of that website. Next is clicking browser buttons. So browser dot back is a button which is used for going back, and forward, browser dot forward is a button to go for the next page. Next is refresh button. We can make use of browser dot refresh for refresh, and to close the window we can make use of browser dot quit method for quit button. So I hope you understood these topics. Thank you.